What's up, YouTube? Y'all can see me? And that sun shining. I lost my truck. Let's see, maybe y'all can help me. Hey, you seen a burgundy Ford pickup truck?
I do not.
Hey, I lost my car.
Oh no.
Yeah. Thank you.
There's one over there.
That's too big. I got the smaller can. I usually park in the back, so it's probably back there. You see my car?
I don't even know you, so I don't know what kind of car you got.
You don't know me?
No.
Mike White?
Man, I'm not even from here. I don't know you.
Oh, where you from?
Atlanta.
Atlanta?
Yeah.
Okay, what's up? What's up, Shower?
What's up, Sean?
You down here?
Huh?
Or you visiting?
I'm down here visiting.
Oh, you down here visiting. So you ain't down here, you just down here visiting. Okay, that what's up. Yeah, I'm Mike White.
Okay, Mike White, nice to meet you.
You what?
How you lost your car?
I went in Walmart.
Who you left in your car? You left somebody in your car?
No,
You paid your payment?
ain't got no payment. Cash money.
Well, you on the wrong aisle.
I think it's back there somewhere.
All right.
I just stopped and see if you seen it before me.
No, I ain't seen it.
You know what it is?
I'm on the phone right now.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, though. It's gone. I'm about to cry, man. Where's my truck? Where's my truck? This ain't my truck. Where my truck at, man? You see my truck? Burgundy truck. Burgundy Ford. Where you just coming from?
From the store.
You just coming from this way.
On the car right there.
Look, it's right there.
Right where?
Truck right there.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
I found the truck. I found the truck. Wake up! Oh shit. I swear this is the realest shit ever. Better stop fucking with people, man. They gonna be on. They gonna subscribe to your boy. I gotta find how to edit this shit. I thought I wasn't gonna never find this truck. I ain't got my gas jug.